Is there a OnePlus foldable smartphone launching in the quarter third of 2023, that is this year? This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new episode of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Raman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So the Cloud 11 event from OnePlus is done and dusted, and the company announced a slew of products. But what really caught my attention was that announcement around the end of the event. So OnePlus showed us something special. And according to that sneak peek, what I can make of it is that could it be the OnePlus foldable smartphone? And they are saying it that this product will be launching in quarter 3 of 2023. So that seems very exciting. Now, according to a tweet by Mukul Sharma, on the other hand, he's saying that OnePlus has already filed for trademarks for the OnePlus V Fold and OnePlus V Flip. So these will be the two foldable smartphones, and according to him, these two phones are already under testing. Now, what can we expect from the OnePlus foldables? Well, first things first, that these phones could be based on the Oppo Find N2 series, since we know that OnePlus and Oppo have ties. And this way, come this fall, and the OnePlus foldables will be taking on the mighty Samsung flagships in the Indian market. But what do you think could be the pricing of the OnePlus foldable smartphone or smartphones whenever they break cover in the country? Let me know in the comments. The OnePlus 11 is an exciting smartphone, but what's even more exciting is the OnePlus 11R that was announced yesterday at the Cloud 11 event. Now, Manas did a video on the OnePlus 11R, you can check that out. But apart from this, just want to put one thing in perspective, is that I think this is the year that everything is falling in place for the Chinese smartphone maker. I think this is the year 2023 is the time when OnePlus returns to form. I mean, they have returned to form. The OnePlus 11 is an amazing smartphone. Then this is the OnePlus 11R, very exciting phone, and even the specifications and features that you get here. So first up, the design looks very similar to the OnePlus 11, which is a good thing. Now, the Hasselblad branding is not there, but then again, the price is relatively cheaper than the OnePlus 11, which is a good thing. So the price is sweet, but the hardware, there's no compromise in the hardware. You get a 120 Hz curved AMOLED display. There's a 5000 mAh battery, 100 watt charging, superb camera. The alert slider is back, and the phone is powered by the tried and tested Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Now, if you talk about the pricing, there are two variants on offer. The 8 Plus 128GB variant costs about 40,000 rupees, while the 16GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant, that one costs about 45,000 rupees. So all in all, the price is right, the look is right, the hardware is right, the features are right. I think so the OnePlus 11R is going to sell like hot cakes in the Indian market. What are your thoughts? February has been a busy month, and I know only like 7-8 days, 9 days have passed by up until now, but new phones have been launching almost every day. Today also a new phone has launched, the Moto E13 I'm talking about. It's a new budget entry from the house of Motorola, and in the times when phones are getting costly, it's good that Motorola is focusing on the budget segment, and this phone is actually budget. The pricing is actually budget. The E13 starts at 6,499 rupees, and for that kind of price, what you're getting here is, I think it's a decent set of hardware. So 6.5-inch LCD display, there's Dolby Atmos, there's a 5000 mAh battery, there's 10 watt charging support. The charger is inside the box. 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, and on top of that, clean software, Android 13 Go edition out of the box. So in terms of pricing, there's a 2GB RAM plus 64GB variant. That one costs 6,499 rupees, the starting price, while the top end 4GB RAM variant with 64GB storage, that one costs about 7,000 rupees, 6,999 to be exact. So if you want to know more about the Motorola E13, now Imam has made a video on that. You can check out in the card above. I'll be linking it right here. But of course, open that video in a new tab first, finish this watching this video, then that video can also, hold for a while. So yesterday only I was talking about Google Bard, which is Google's answer to ChatGPT, and how they are planning to integrate Google Bard in Google search, and then they'll be taking on ChatGPT with like more prompt responses to your personal queries. But Microsoft has decided to one-up Google on this situation, and they are saying that they are bringing Bing search, and Bing search will be integrated with ChatGPT. So this is big news. Now you may ask that how will this work? So on this, Microsoft says that Bing is running on a new OpenAI large language model that is more powerful than ChatGPT and customized specifically for search. The new tech takes learning and advancements from ChatGPT and GPT 3.5 to more accurate replies. So as of right now, if you want to get a taste of Bing and ChatGPT integration, all you need to do is wait for the new update that is set to arrive for the Microsoft Edge browser. It should arrive very soon, and once that is done, once you have updated the Edge browser, you'll be able to enjoy Bing with ChatGPT. If you're looking to get a smart TV for under 10,000 rupees, then fret not, Blaupunkt has got you covered. So at a price of 6,999 rupees, the Sigma Smart TV is positioned as a 3-in-1 device which can be used as a monitor and experience smart features and television. Now, some of the key highlights include an HD-ready display, 20-watt bottom-firing dual speakers, a quad-core processor, and 300 nits brightness. And since this is a smart TV, you get to choose from a variety of different games and OTT apps, just the likes of Netflix, Prime Video, Sony Live, Z5, and many more. But of course, you'll have to pay for the subscription fee separately, so do note that. But at a price of under 7,000 rupees, I mean 6,999 rupees, a smart TV deal does not get any better than this. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's video? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.